Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be solving a very nice trigonometric problem involving tangents. So we have a tangent of A is equal to 3 to the power of x, tangent of B is equal to 3 to the power of negative x, and we also know that A minus B is equal to 30 degrees or pi over 6. And of course we need to find the value of x. Okay, so because we know the value of a minus b, we can use a formula for tangent of difference of angles. So tangent of a minus b is equal to tangent of A minus tangent of B all over 1 plus tangent A times tangent B. Okay, and now we'll just put pi over 6 here. So tangent of pi over 6 is equal to tangent A is 3 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of negative x all over 1 plus 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of negative x. Okay, now we know the value of tangent of pi over 6, so that will be 1 over square root of 3, and that's equal to 3 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of negative x over, and now this will be 1 plus 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of negative x, that will be 3 to the power of 0, so that's 1. So we have 1 plus 1, and that's 2. So here we have 2. Okay. And now I will just multiply both sides by 2, so I get 2 over square root of 3. And here I will write 3 to the x minus 1 over 3 to the power of x. Okay, and now I will just write everything on the same side. So 3 to the power of x minus 1 over 3 to the power of x minus 2 over square root of 3, that's equal to 0. Okay, and now I can just multiply by 3 to the power of x, and I get 3 to the power of 2x minus 2 over square root of 3 times 3 to the power of x minus 1 divided by 3 to the power of x is equal to 0. Okay, now because 3 to the power of x is always positive, it cannot be 0, so we just have 3 to the power of 2x minus 2 over square root of 3 times 3 to the power of x minus 1 equals 0. Okay, and now I will just make a substitution. Let's say t is equal to 3 to the power of x. Okay, so I will have t squared minus 2 over square root of 3 times t minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so now I have a quadratic equation, so I can find values of t by formula. So t is equal to 2 over square root of 3 plus minus square root of, this will be 4 over 3, and then I will have plus 4, okay, divided by 2. Okay, so now this will be 2 over square root of 3 plus minus, now this will be 4 over 3 plus, and this will be 12 over 3, so that's 16 over 3. Okay, 16 over 3 divided by 2. Okay, and now I have 2 over square root of 3 plus minus, this will be 4 over square root of 3 divided by 2. Okay, and now we can cancel this. So now we get two solutions. So first solution is 1 plus 2 over square root of 3. So that's 3 over square root of 3. Or second solution will be 1 minus 2, that's negative 1 over square root of 3. Okay, and now because our substitution was actually 3 to the power of x, we have that t is strictly bigger than 0, so it must be positive. Okay, so basically that means that negative solution is wrong, so we only have one solution for the value of t. So t is equal to 3 over square root of 3, and that's just square root of 3. Okay, and now just because t is 3 to the power of x, we have that 3 to the power of x is equal to square root of 3, and that's 3 to the power of 1/2. So at the end we get that x is equal to 1/2, and that's the solution. So this was the first method, and I also have the second way to find x, and it's kinda nicer and easier to find the value of x this way. So I will just write again tangent of a is equal to 3 to the power of x, tangent b is 3 to the power of negative x, and we know that a minus b is equal to pi over 6. Okay, so we can see that tangent of a is 3 to the power of x, and tangent of b is 3 to the power of negative x. So that's basically 1 over 3 to the power of x. So I can write tangent of a is equal to 1 over tangent of b. Okay, and 1 over tangent of b is actually cotangent of b. Okay, so we have tangent of a is equal to cotangent of b, and from that we can conclude that actually a plus b is equal to 90 degrees or pi over 2. So a plus b is pi over 2, okay, and we know that a minus b is pi over 6. So now we have two equations with two variables, so we can just solve a system. So a plus b is pi over 2 and a minus b is equal to pi over 6. Okay, and now I will just add these equations, and I get 2a is equal to pi over 2 plus pi over 6. Okay, so I have 2a is equal to, this will be 3 pi over 6 plus pi over 6, that's 4 pi over 6. Okay, and now I can cancel this. I get 2 and I can cancel with 6. So in the end I get that a is equal to pi over 3. Okay, and I can also get that, I will write it here, that b is equal to pi over 6. Okay, so that's from these two equations. So I found actually the values for a and b, but now I can just write tangent of a is equal to 3 to the power of x. Okay, and now I actually know that tangent of a is tangent of pi over 3, and that's equal to 3 to the power of x. And now tangent of pi over 3, that's square root of 3, and that's 3 to the power of x. And again we have that 3 to the 1/2 is equal to 3 to the power of x, and x is equal to 1/2. So we get the same solution, but this way is faster and easier, in my opinion, at least. And we can just check to see tangent of b. Tangent of b is 3 to the power of negative x, so tangent of pi over 6 is 3 to the negative x. Okay, so this will be 1 over square root of 3 is 3 to the negative x. Okay, and this will be 3 to the negative 1/2 is equal to 3 to the negative x. So again we have x is equal to 1 over 2 or 1/2. Okay, so this was the second method. So I hope everything was readable and understandable, and that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. And of course, like, share, subscribe, comment, and everything else.